To find good options trades in Robinhood, start by understanding the basics of options trading. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. Calls give you the right to buy a stock, while puts give you the right to sell a stock. Begin by selecting a stock you are interested in trading options on. Look for stocks with high liquidity and volatility, as these tend to have more options available. Use Robinhood's search function to find the stock and click on it to view its options chain. The options chain will show you all the available options contracts for that stock, including their strike prices, expiration dates, and prices. Next, determine your trading goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking to make a quick profit or hold a long-term position? Are you willing to take on high risk for potential high returns? Or do you want to play it safe? This will help you decide which type of options trade to make. One popular options trading strategy is the covered call. This involves buying a stock and selling a call option on that stock. The goal is to collect the premium from selling the call option, while also potentially benefiting from an increase in the stock's price. Another strategy is the protective put. This involves buying a put option on a stock you already own. The goal is to protect your investment from a potential decline in the stock's price. When selecting an options trade, consider the strike price, expiration date, and price of the option. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the stock. The expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. The price of the option is the premium you pay to buy the option or receive to sell the option. Use technical and fundamental analysis to evaluate the stock's potential for price movement. Look at charts and trends to identify patterns and potential breakout points. Also, consider news and events that may impact the stock's price. Finally, set a budget and stick to it. Options trading can be risky, so it is essential to only trade with money you can afford to lose. Start with small trades and gradually increase your position size as you gain experience and confidence. By following these steps and strategies, you can find good options trades in Robinhood and potentially profit from the options market. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk to achieve success in options trading.